Tracy Hugelmeyer here from VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. I also own my own vintage business on Etsy, Rustic Eye, that I've had since 2013. And today I'm going to ask a question to you. Have you ever had someone contact you and ask for a discount? That's what we're going to talk about today. So if you sell vintage on Etsy, this has probably happened to you. It's definitely happened to me. And that you get that convo, somebody's like, I really like that item. What's the best discount you can give me? Or do you have any coupon codes that I can use? Or that shipping's really expensive. Is there anything you can do to ship it to me for less? These things have all happened to me, but they don't happen very frequently because I have a strategy in place to prevent this. And I'm going to share some of that strategy with you in this video today. So why do people do that? Why do people approach a business and ask for a discount? I mean, you don't typically walk into a Target store and see that, okay, this item over here is for sale and this item over here is full price. I'm going to go see if I can get a discount on that full price item over there. I mean, you don't do that, right? Most people don't do that. However, if you go to, say, a garage sale or the swap meet, everybody knows that when you're at the garage sale or you're at the swap meet, you're there to get the best price you can get. You're there to bargain shop. So you're trained to do that and you do it in a lot of cases. You're way more likely to do it than, say, if you walked into Target, right? So when you understand that and you think of it on those terms, the strategy becomes simple. Be more like the Target and less like the garage sale. So how do you do that? It all comes down to your branding. There's a lot that goes into your branding, but some important pieces to remember are the more you can come across as a premium brand, the less you're going to get people approaching you, asking you for a discount. And if you want to learn how you can up your branding game, I do offer a free training that covers a lot of those branding basics. So check it out. I'll link it in the comments for you. You can also find it at VintagepreneurUniversity.com/free training. And that will take you well on your way to building that premium brand that's going to greatly reduce those inquiries to get a discount, as well as a lot of other benefits, because branding is super important for the success of your business in a lot of ways. If you liked this video, make sure to click the little like, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell too so that you get notified whenever a new video comes out. And keep an eye out for kind of a part 2 of this video where I'm going to tell you what to do when you do get those requests for discounts, because they're still going to happen. Like I said, hopefully you can reduce the amount of time that it'll happen, but it's still important to know what to do when it does happen to you. So keep an eye out for that. And thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.